Listen to me and save yourself. Have the strength to let go of people in order to save yourself. Not everyone is going to be good for you. And sometimes you need to look at all the reasons why it won't work out, rather than focusing on the one reason why it will, and letting that lead you. The doubts that you have in the beginning become the reason why everything shatters in the end. And it's better to protect your heart rather than let it run wildly time and time again, causing itself grief. Remember this: if someone is meant to be in your life, even if you let them go to protect yourself, they will come back at a time when they're good for you, and you're good for them. So, don't force relationships. If it doesn't feel right, then let it be. And know that whatever is destined for you will always find its way back to you.